Bonjour! Here is a quick guide to the French pronunciation. In this video, you will learn how certain letters of the French alphabet will be pronounced in one way. I will initially spell the alphabet in French and also the word in which the combination appears. I'm going to do the first sound en in detail. A-N, en, A-N, en. B-A-N-C, bon, B-A-N-C, bon. A-M, en, A-M, en. A-M, B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M, en, bu, lance. E-N, E-N, T-E-N-T-E, tante. E-N, en, T-E-N, tante, T-E, tante. Enfant, enfant. E-N-F-A-N-T, enfant. Okay, if you see E-N and A-N, A-M are all pronounced in the same way, which is en. So every time you see a French word and you find this combination of letters, you will pronounce it as en. There is also E-M, 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 en. E-M, B-A-R-R-A-S, embarras, embarras. E-N, E-M is en. The next sound, an. The next sound is an. So for an, there are a lot of words. Okay, it's a very unique sound also in French. Okay, all the nasal sounds will have to be open, which means that you will not spell the N. Okay, most of them end with N or M. You don't pronounce the N, so we won't say on, an. Okay, it's just a, on, an. Okay, it is like that. Okay, so here you have multiple combinations which will give the an sound. E-N, an. F-E-N, fin. E-M, un. S-I-M-P-L-E, simple. Y-N, un. S-Y-N, T-H, E accent grave, S-E, synthèse, synthèse. Y-M, un. T-H-Y-M, tin. A-I-N, un. M-A-I-N, main. A-I-M, un. F-A-I-M, fin. The next is the on sound. O-N, on. M-E-L-O-N, melon. O-M, on. O-M-B-R-E, ombre. U-N. U-N is un. B-R-U-N, brun. U-M, un. P-A-R-F-U-M, parfum. Un. Now it's your turn. Can you pronounce C R A Y O N? I'm repeating. C R A Y O N. Let's hear you pronounce that. Voilà, crayon, crayon. The next one, T I N, T I N. Je répète, T I N, T I N. Ça se prononce comment? Excellent. Tintin, Tintin. I hope you practice these sounds and get excellent in the French pronunciation. À bientôt!